A good place to look for stones is near water because they often have subtle features from being naturally tumbled. You don't want any sharp edges. You're looking for stones that are gentle to the touch, that just feel good when you close your fingers around them, like they've been sculpted to fit inside your hands. If you don't live near a beach or river, check out your local landscaping and garden center. Alright, we're on a mission to get some Prana Stones. These are Mexican pebbles, right from the beach. They're inexpensive and have a very soft texture. The smaller ones are great for meditation. Look for some interesting shapes. You should be able to find a few sets that fit comfortably in your hands. The larger stones are perfect for releasing trigger points and sore muscles. It's good to have a variety of shapes and sizes. They're also pretty cool looking to have around the house. Your dog will love them. And you can also search for Mexican beach pebbles online. Order some in the 3 to 5 inch size range, and hopefully you'll end up with some nice ones.